I'm honored to have been chosen. Their work that they do is imperative to the schools and how they function, and I'm just trying to make their jobs easier every day.
She is basically a model employee.
Beyond her skills, she's just a kind, humble, nice person to be around.
I've had the pleasure of working with Brooke for 10 years. She has evolved as the position has evolved as well.
She is my right-hand woman.
It's always evolving and changing, and I love that.
She brings a lot of joy to the office. She is just kind of a bright spot in our department.
We're so happy for you, and you're so deserving. Congrats.
You're so deserving of this award. Congratulations.
Thank you.